Hey guys, what's up? And thanks for stopping by my channel, SimplyCrystalMichelle. And today I want to break down for you guys how I created this crochet spraying twist braided wig look. Yes, what I have on my head right now is a wig. Before we jump right into it, don't forget to subscribe and follow me in all my social media platforms, specifically my Instagram at SimplyCrystalMichelle. I'm always posting all my natural hair looks and tips and tutorials all throughout the week because you know it's hard to get to YouTube all the time. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. But let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Alright, so this hair that I'm featuring on my head is from a company called Beyond Beauty, and this is their best quality tangle-free spring hair. This is what it looks like. It comes in the color T1B Burgundy. They have a bunch of different shades, so if you're someone who's into some colorful spring twists, I definitely recommend this company. And the reason why I do is because this hair was extremely soft. Any other hair that I tested out so far, besides from the one that was like really super expensive, has kind of been really rough and hard to separate. But I really like this hair. I love the color. It's like an ombre. It's mixed and dark at the top, and then it gets really nice and beautiful like red at the bottom. And don't worry, I'm gonna really break down and show a lot of video footage of how I create this look. But I just wanted to show you this is what the spring twist looks like. You'll need about 3 to 5 packs of hair depending on how thick you want your hair to look and what your goal is and what you're going for. I used about 4 packs. I wanted to be very sparing. I didn't need a lot of hair on my head. I just wanted something that was really effortless and bohemian. So the first thing I did is my regular crochet twist that I make. I've made 2 videos now on how to do that, so I'll link them down below. So the only thing that I did that was a little bit different is that I used one whole full twist and I fluffed it out as I do usually, and then I took the second twist and I split it in half. And just so you guys can see, this is what the twist looks like. And what I really liked about this hair, it was super soft and easy to work with. It was easy to split it. It wasn't tangling or matting up on me. I've experienced that before in the past. And then I went ahead and I began to twist the hair. The only thing that I did a little bit different was like every 5th crochet spring twist, I left a little bit of hair out because I really wanted this cute little bohemian look. So as you guys can see, some of my twists, like this one for instance, I left a piece of hair out at the top and I left a piece of hair out at the bottom because I just wanted something like effortless and bohemian and different. And then also for the ends of the hair, I didn't twist all the way to the bottom. I left those out. However, my tip is for you when you are twisting the hair not to do to every single twist. And also, you're going to want to dip this in hot water, which is the next thing I'm going to show you. So once I was done twisting all the hair, I dipped it in boiling hot water. What that helps to do is to help to like make it go from puffy to nice and like sleek. And also the straggly pieces as well, they go from like puffy and expanded to this beautiful crimp curly spring twist pattern. And I like that because I didn't want something that was gonna look frizzy and all over the place. Like, that's not cute. So once we're done dipping our hair in hot water, and it doesn't take very long to dry because it's synthetic hair, we're then gonna go ahead and crochet this hair on our wig cap. Now, I've done crochet wig videos before, so I'll also link those down below if you want something a little bit more detailed. But all you're going to have to do is literally take the braided cap, which I picked up at the dollar store. It's not my favorite one. It was $7, but at least you can get it on the ground. But I'll go ahead and leave down in the description box my favorite kind of braided cap. And you're just gonna go ahead and take your crochet needle and you just crochet it on. I like to focus on where my part's gonna be and my edges, and then after that I work my way out because I don't want it to be super full or puffy at the top or bulky anywhere. That's the best thing about doing a crochet wig. Like, it lasts forever. You can wear it at night, you can take it off. It's pretty simple and easy to work with. And so once I'm done crocheting all the hair on my head, the only thing I did to just make it a little bit unique and different is add some hair jewelry. So I already have some in my head right now. You just take the hair jewelry, you can pick it up at your beauty supply store. I'm sure you can order it online. You open it up like so, really easy. And then you just put it around and you clip it on. That's it. Really simple to do. Let me know what you think of this really effortless bohemian kind of look. I just wanted something different, and what I love is that I can fill it in more for the summertime later on. I can save this wig. I could take these crochet twists off this wig cap and then go ahead and install it on my real head. But it just makes it really easy and simple. Right now I have the hair kind of pulled over, but if you guys want, like where my part is, you can go ahead and put some concealer there, some foundation, so it looks like you have a seamless part and you can see some scalp, or wear a nude cap underneath. That's literally all you have to do. So let me know what you think down below. Is this the kind of look you'd be interested in? Like I said before, I got this hair from Beyond Beauty. I love the packaging. You're probably gonna get a lot more for your buck. I'll go ahead and leave the price somewhere here or down below in the description box. But like I said before, if you're looking for some really soft spring twist hair, this company I definitely recommend because it was really easy to work with, and of course it's cost effective. So let me know, guys, what your thoughts on this look. That's like my favorite word to say right now, look. I like anything that is simple and easy and I can cut corners. That's just been my goal lately. And I'll go ahead and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.